This is Davy Day Boats here in Tamworth. You can hire the boats here for a day and be able to traverse and have a look at the canal. So these are the boats here at the Davy Day Boats Marina, and you can see the boats there. So this is Davy Day Boats. You can see you can hire the boats here, and that will enable you to take the boat around the canal all over. So you can see boats there of different sizes, different colors, different kinds. This is Davy Day Boats. This is famous for renting the boats to take you around the canal. They're usually busy on summer. That is July and August. I think because it's we still are blessed with beautiful weather this time of the year, so they're still getting customers and bookings. So if you're around Midlands and you fancy a boat tour around the canal, Davy Day Boats is the place to go. There you go. So now we are on our way now to cycle back to Birmingham. I'm pedaling now. I'm cycling, one hand on the camera and one hand on the handlebars. And I'm gonna stop from here and just admire the peace, the stillness and the beauty of the canal. And I've been finding solace on the canal, and been riding my bike a lot on the canal. And over there is a field. They have prepared the soil for planting wheat. So they're gonna be planting wheat there at some point. As you can see, the soil is well prepared, cultivated for that purpose. Right, so I have to go back now. I have to head back to Mainworth, where I have parked my car. I'm glad I was able to get through this place. It's been my burning desire to get through here from Mainworth. So this is actually my second bike expedition. I tried Mainworth to Brindley Place. This is my second expedition now, Mainworth to Tamworth. Maybe next time, Brindley Place to either Wolverhampton or Worcester. So thanks God for all the strength you've given me. Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. And I would like to thank God for the strength that He gives me always. God bless you all. Jesus loves you. Bye for now. Love and peace.